Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Fola. If you are seeing me for the first time, in today's video we're going to be talking about Arabian perfumes, aka Middle Eastern perfumes. So I asked on the channel what you guys would like me to film about, and somebody particularly requested for perfumes. She said she's a perfume vendor. I'm going to look for a comment and put it on the screen. So today we're going to be talking about one of the most popular Arabian perfumes. They are it's a very loved, it's a loved perfume. I know you've already seen it on the title and of course the thumbnail. So I'm going to be talking about Yara. Yay! So Yara is pretty much one of my first Arabian perfumes. I've heard about Arabian perfumes, but I'm like, I'm okay perfume. I beg, I know they use. But guys, I got this. This is an empty bottle, and then this is a new one. I've used like three bottles that I've thrown away, and I still have, like, this is the fourth one and this is the fifth one. So I'm going to be talking about this first. This, okay. I'm going to read out the notes in the fragrance, and then before I explain what I am getting from this. So the top notes are heliotrope, orchid, and tangerine. And the tangerine is very big. It's very, very big on tangerine. Like when you spray it, the first 10 minutes the tangerine lingers in the room. Like you can almost smell lemon, like concentrated lemon, not in a bad way, in a very sweet and pleasant way. And then the middle notes are gourmand, accord, and tropical fruit. Guys, if you're a gourmand person, you will definitely like this fragrance. It is very pleasant, it is cozy, it smells like something you would want to. So maybe after you're at home, you're not going anywhere, you just want to have your bath and smell nice for yourself. This is one fragrance I would definitely use. And then the base notes are vanilla, musk, and sandalwood. It's very big on vanilla, it's very big on musk. Yes, the vanilla, it's a very sweet fragrance. Like, there is no day I wear this fragrance that I don't get compliments. Although I'm not going to lie, I tend to layer my fragrances. I don't just wear just one like that, because I don't wear one fragrance because I know perfumes a lot. So when I smell you, I can guess what you're wearing. And trust me, 70% of the time I'm right. So I don't want people to guess what I'm wearing. So I tend to layer my fragrances. You feel me? So yeah. So those are the top notes, and then the main accords are sweet, vanilla, powdery, tropical, fruity, musky, floral, and woody. Those are the accords. But I'm going to tell you what I smell from this. Okay, so I smell vanilla. I smell tangerine. I smell tangerine in a very sweet way. I smell a little bit of strawberry, but I'm not sure because there's no strawberry there, but I can smell a little bit of strawberry. And then this time that it has spent like 30 seconds on my skin, it's like settling in, and the tangerine is, I can literally feel it. I can literally feel it. So when I spray this perfume in an enclosed space, I like it tends to sting my eyes. When you peel lemon and it's entering your eyes. It's not bad. It's not something that is terrible, but you feel it, right? I tend to experience it with this perfume, though it doesn't last more than the first 30 seconds, and then that's nice. It lasts me as long as 5 hours. Some people say it lasts them 8 hours, but to be honest, I reapply my perfumes. I have an atomizer. I have like two atomizers that I always carry in my bag. So whatever fragrance I'm wearing that very day, I have it in my atomizer. And say I leave home by, say, 7 o'clock or 7:30. By 12, I've already reapplied my perfume. I've already reused my perfume. So I can't really say it lasts 8 hours because I've never really worn it for 8 hours straight. But I know that it does last 5 hours, and 5 hours is good. 5 hours is good. And when I enter somewhere, they know that, oh, who is this person? Who is this person? There is no day I wear this perfume and people don't say, oh, you smell nice. I'm like, okay, I smell nice, thank you. I know. So this goes for usually goes Jesus Christ. Okay, so this the price ranges between 12,000 naira to 15,000 naira depending on where you are buying from. And guys, it has a twin. Okay, it has a twin. This is called Yara by House of Lattafa. People say the bottle is ugly. I don't think the bottle is ugly. Do you guys think the bottle is ugly? A lot of people say, oh, they don't like the bottle, but they like the content. I don't really think the bottle is ugly. I like pink, so I can forgive. I mean, even if the bottle is ugly, the content is so beautiful, so who cares? And then you have the white Yara. This is called Yara Moi. This black Yara is this pink one is just Yara, and this is Yara Moi. This was released in 2022, and people have been raving about it. Did I mention that the pink Yara is mainly, day perfume? I'm not sure I would wear it at night. This is not a fragrance I would wear for date night. Okay, I would wear it for lunch. I would layer it with like one or two other perfumes to go to work or for lunch, or if I have a meeting, in a place that is not enclosed. There's some places there's some clients I would want to meet that I'm not going to wear this. Definitely, I'm probably going to wear, like a designer perfume, a more sophisticated fragrance. But if this is the only thing you have, trust me, you're good to go. I wouldn't exactly wear it for date night, but I wouldn't wear it to club. Okay, I don't wear this particular fragrance to the club. But yeah, it's something I would wear if I'm going to the beach, if I'm going to hang out with my friends, if I'm going to the office. This is like an everyday fragrance. Well, we have the white Yara, also known as Yara Moi. First of all, I would say that this fragrance is very creamy. It is creamy, it is cool. It's like the twin sister of this. It's like they're, what do they call twins that are not identical? Fraternal. Are they called fraternal twins? I don't know. But yeah, it's like the twin sister of this. It's of course they look alike, the bottle looks alike, but it's just this one is more mature. Okay, so this is very girly and outgoing and extrovert. This is like the very feminine and extroverted twin that always gets her nails done. This one always gets her nails done, her lashes are always on fleek, her edges are always well laid. While this on the other hand is like the reserved twin sister. She just wants to go to work. She just wants to be with her boyfriend. She just wants to, go eat lunch, go on dates. She's not all about the glam life. She's just very soft and she takes her work very seriously. She's the type that doesn't ever go late to work. She's the boss that doesn't ever take nonsense. That's the kind of twin this girl is. And so the top notes are jasmine and peach. Then the middle notes are amber and caramel. The base notes are patchouli and sandalwood, guys. And the main accords are woody, patchouli, warm, spicy, white floral, amber, powdery, fruity. So I would say that this one takes the powdery job more seriously than this. This is also said to be powdery, but I think this is more powdery than the pink. This is more powdery than the pink, and this is more flowery. The white floral part really comes out to play in this. I feel like if I'm asked to choose between the two, which is my poison, I would go for this pink one. Probably because this is the one I first smelled. This is the one I used for a very long period of time before I, found this, before I started using this. But if you smell this first, there are chances that you would fall in love with this more than this. So it just really depends on your preference. So if you are like me, forget that I'm not wearing makeup. My nails are not done today. I'm not looking at. But there's some days I'm like very girly. I want to go all out. I'm wearing high heels. I'm all of that, and you see like girl, I'm wearing this. But on days when I'm like maybe I'm wearing like a suit with sneakers or with brogues, and I'm carrying like a very structured handbag with my laptop bag, and my makeup is just very minimal, and I know that, oh, today is very serious. I'm wearing this. Okay, so and this also can be worn at night, but I'm not going to wear this and leave my house immediately at night. So let's say I have a date, or I have a night, an evening outing by say 8 p.m. I'm probably going to wear this by 7 p.m. and let the first, the top notes finish, before I leave the middle notes are very sweet. They are, patchouli and sandalwood. I really do like the middle notes. It's like all that, so I would advise that if you're going to wear this at night, don't wear it and leave home immediately. Wear it for like 30-45 minutes to 1 hour before leaving home, so that the sweet part of it comes out when you are leaving, when you get to wherever you're going. You feel me? So yeah, that will be all for this channel, for this particular video. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. So if you've used any of this before, let me know which one you prefer, and if there's any perfume you would like me to review, please leave it in the comment section down below. I'm going to buy it so that you don't have to buy it in case it's not good. Okay, and if there is any other video content ideas you would like me to drop, don't worry, I am going to drop it for you. Just ask me in the comment section down below. And if you have not subscribed up to this point, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification icon, so that you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video. We're still going to be talking about skincare. We're just going to be doing a little bit of fragrance in between, so that it is not just skincare every day. Okay, that brings us to the end of this video. See you.